She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be so quick. I'm so sorry for that, but you will enjoy it foremost because it's my video birthday and how I did get ready, how I did this look you will see in this video, and it's a super quick look, so it's not very much hectic and you will learn it so quickly. So let's go and start it. So firstly, starting my makeup with my moisturizer, that is from Clinique. It is very small and handy and it is really cute. It is like gel in texture and I'll apply it on my whole face and neck. Now priming up my face with Farsali primer. It is liquidish in texture and it is a silicone based primer, so it is the best for the makeup. Now starting up my base with the foundation from Benefit. It is so light but it has a higher coverage, only 2 drops guys. The more you take the product on your hand, it becomes more cakey, so if you don't want that, use less and spread it well on your face. Now as you all know that eyebrows define your face, so I am setting up my eyebrows with the help of Benefit pencil, and as you all know it is my favorite, and it has a brush and a tip of pencil on the other side. Now I am giving a little definition to my eyebrows, like giving them little strokes in between so that the gap is filled, and yes, like this I define my eyebrows so that it looks natural, not fake. Now merging up the color of my eyebrow pencil with my natural eyebrow, I'm just brushing them up and giving them a proper shape. For the primer, I'm gonna use my Benefit primer here and I'm just using it on the tip of my eyes and the inner corner. As I was short on time, so I used my hands in the whole makeup, and that is how I do when I'm late, because as you all know our hands are warm and from our hand it is best blended. Now applying the same concealer on the highlight points of my face, that is nose, chin and upper lip. Always tap the product on your face, just tap it, don't rub the product all over the face. If it is excess, then you can rub it very slowly, but mostly tap it on your face. Now using my Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette, it has many shades as you can see, and there are 4 palettes inside it, so I was just literally confused what should I do, but according to my dress I chose my color as silver glitter and warm shades. So this is, I'm just priming up my eyes for the color so that it can pop out really well. So many of you ask that can't we do the eye makeup from our hands? You can, obviously you can do, but it should be more precise, and I think you should need a brush so that the color is blended properly if you are not that much professional and if you want really vibrant colors in your eyes. Now moving on with my brown shade, which I want as my transition shade in my eyes. I was in so much hurry and I'm sorry guys that I only got this brush from my stuff, as I am back from Bangalore and I did my eye makeup with this brush. It is so funny, but yes, I did it. Just wait and watch. My parents were calling from outside that Dipanshi, hurry, hurry, you have to celebrate your birthday. And I spread my whole makeup on my face and I was in such a mess. And here I used my beautiful glitter in the middle of my eyes. And it was so pretty. The camera can't capture it, but it was so nice. Eyeliner and mascara are done. Now taking off my extra eyeshadow which fall off on my face. It looks so awesome. Yes, I did it. Ta-da! Here the lip color is done. It is by Huda Beauty. And here comes the last and foremost important step of the makeup, that you have to prep your face after the makeup. So I have done it with the help of Prep and Prime. And here it goes. So just wait for my final look.
That is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and for more such interesting contents please follow me on Instagram also, where I post daily most probably, and on YouTube also. I try to post on Tuesday, every Tuesday, but due to certain circumstances that I am locked down, it is lockdown and I am locked in my home, so I have to decide about my content. So if you can help out with the content of, or if you want some videos that I should do, you can suggest me in the comment box. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye. Love you all.